Hey everybody, this is Arvin Poole, the PeriHacker. I am online right now, and I want to say thank you to all my replay viewers. Pamela, thanks for joining. Hey, I've tried to email you 2 times, Pam, today, so let's connect. Your email keeps bouncing back, so I definitely want to connect with you, Pam, and the answer is yes. I would love to work with you. So to my replay viewers, I really appreciate you joining. Today we're going to be talking about adding your Periscope on-air button to your Facebook fan page. And so this is a hot topic. Now that you have that Periscope on-air button, what if you have a Facebook fan page? How do you add that? There are many ways to add it, but I have a particular application that I use, and I would love to share it with you guys. And this will be a step-by-step process. Good day, everybody. Hey, Nicole. Jamila, what's going on? Good day. Everybody, if you think this is of value to your fans and to your followers, invite all of your Twitter followers and your Periscope followers if you feel this is valuable, okay? This is probably going to take me about a little bit over 30 minutes. I want to go pretty fast, but I will be referencing some links, so get out your notepads, and we will get started here in a few seconds. I want to wait till we get some more people in here. Gosh, this is driving me crazy. Why is my comments going this way? Look here, everybody. Let me rotate this. All right, let's rotate it. Now let me rotate it back. For some reason, my comments are, what's up, Natalie? How you doing, Natalie? Oh, that's much better. Good. Now I can sit back and relax and drink some water. There we go. All right, let us see who's in the house. Jamila, good to see you, girl. I think we meet today at 3 o'clock. Is that right? Or in 1 hour? Is that right? In 1 hour? Natalie, how are you? Tinny's World, how are you? Pamela, thank you for sharing this on Facebook. This will be great if you share this with your Facebook friends because they're on Facebook. So what I'm showing you today is just showing you how to embed your code and how to customize a nice little page for your, and now this is for a fan page, not your personal page, okay? So HTML, I don't think you can embed on your personal page. If you can, I just haven't done it yet. Everything that I've embedded has always been on my fan page, and I have not figured out how to embed on a group yet. I'm still looking for that one. But what I'm about to show you, you can also do for Instagram and for YouTube and for other social media, but I'm only going to do the demo for Facebook, okay? Everybody's excited? I'm excited too. Tinny's World, I'm super excited. So ask Marcus, yeah, okay, thank you for confirming. I truly appreciate it. Everybody, let's get started, okay? So the first thing I want to do is lay some ground rules for this scope. And what I mean by ground rules, just some things I want to do in order to get through this. I need some help in the audience. You know, if you can help me scribe a little bit as I share some of the resources, and also screenshot. I want to use our screenshot feature for this demo because the more that we can put on Twitter and get it out, even if it's not on Twitter, if we can just screenshot it, you know, for yourselves, that would be good. That'll save a lot of time, okay? Same here, because I just request the Facebook Live video. This could help. Wonderful. Well, you're right in the house, okay? So everyone who just joined, if you're new to my scope, all right, and I've stopped asking this, but I need to get back into the groove of this. If you're new to my scope, I would truly appreciate if you can, you know, hit that little Perry dude button. Where's my finger? There's my finger. If you can push that little dude's head there, click him, click right there, and then follow me, okay? The last I checked, I'm at 946 followers. So my goal is to get to 1,000 followers, hopefully by the end of today. I may be able to get there. I think I'm okay. I have one more scope to do, and let's get you free. Hello, doll. Hello, everybody. Okay, good. Good afternoon. Okay, good. Everybody ready? If you're ready, give me a thumbs up. If you're ready, give me some thumbs up. And we're going to get started. Prof. Randall in the house. In the house, Prof. Randall. Oh, wow, we got a nice audience here, okay? It's not your last opportunity, but go ahead and invite your followers if you just came on, and make sure you share this on Twitter because we're getting ready to go through a nice little tutorial. All right. So I'm going to turn myself around and everyone, if you can give me a thumbs up. Is that screen clear and crisp? Y'all ready? All right, let's do this. All right, the very first thing you want to do, let's lay out the steps in order, okay? Number one, the number one thing, you have to make sure you have Facebook fan page, okay? You have to have a Facebook fan page. And so for me, I actually have a Facebook fan page, and let's go to my Facebook. I have a bunch of Facebook pages, but let's go to the one I just created. And we're going to start from scratch though, okay? So the goal here is to create a follow me on Periscope button right here. You see that? I think I need to resurrect my fan page. Yeah, this is brand new. I just created this page specifically for this tutorial, okay? So everyone can see this. Timeline, about, and follow on Periscope. What our goal is today is to create this follow on Periscope button, okay? All right, let's get started. So you must have Facebook fan page, and you also must understand a little bit about the Periscope embed code. So let's go over that. All right, the Periscope embed code can be found at periscope.tv/embed. Okay, everyone, if you go there, it's periscope.tv/embed. And let me raise up my screen just a little bit. There you go. You can see the URL now. Okay, and it may be a little hazy because my screen is horrible right now on resolution. And so once you are here, you can just basically, this on air button allows you to put in your username. All right. Put in your username to generate these codes or these buttons. What these buttons allow you to do, for those who are not familiar with it, so I don't want to assume that everyone knows what these buttons are. Yep, so that's the correct URL. What this button allows you to do, you can paste the code that's generated, and if you are live, it will turn red. If you're not live, it stays blue, okay? So one example of this button, I'll show you real quick. I'll show you a demo, but what we're going to do is add this to Facebook, but I'll show you what I have done for my homepage on PeriHacks, not on my homepage, but one of my pages for PeriHacks.com. So for those of you who are, there we go, PeriHacks.com, that's where I am right now, and I'll show you where that page is. So if you go to PeriHacks.com and you click on Arvin's Top Influencers, and you will see what I have done. I've done something a little creative. Every week I'm tracking my top influencers based on number of hearts, engagement, and all those cool things. And so side note, I have a nice little tool that I'm getting ready to commercialize for Periscope that pulls all of your follower information, and it gives me back a nice report to let me know who are the top engagers for the week for me, okay? So that's what I'm doing, and I'm using this to generate the top 3. I may do top 5, but then I put this little open here, are you my next top influencer? So each of these profiles, guess what? They have a button. They have their button. So if I click on Jamila Corbett's button here, it'll go to her it'll go to her Periscope, okay? This is a bug. This is a bug right here. So PJ is not live. I know she's not live because I just checked, and it's still red. And I actually entered her code back in here again, and let's put PJ's code in here and see if it's still red. This is a bug, everyone. So if you have this issue, PJ loves PJ, let's click on it, and then let's see there, it's still red. It should be blue. And I don't know what it is, but hers is always red when I put it in, even after I've cleared my cache. So it must be something with the JavaScript. All right. So everyone has that. Number one is you must have a Facebook fan page. Number 2, you must have the embed code, all right? So let's go ahead and put my embed code in here, my user ID, because I want to add my profile to the Facebook page, all right? So we'll go ahead and put in my username, Arvin Poole, and then I want a large button. I want a large button, not a small button. And I want to create the code for it. So you click create button, all right? Once you click the create button, it shows that I'm live, and I'm actually live right now. So this is accurate, okay? What scares me is when I collected PJ's code, she was live. So I'm hoping when I go offline that it goes blue and not stay red. And we'll test this after we're done, okay? What's up, Arvin? Cabo San Lucas, and I still made it to school. Kirk, come on in, man. Come on in, my Cali brother. Come on in, brother. All right, copying this code. Now the copy code is in my memory. Now the next thing you need to do, number 3, write this URL down. This is a very slick tool. Everyone go to woobox.com. If you have heard of Woobox, type 1. If you have not heard of Woobox, type 2. If you have heard of it, type 1. If you have not heard of it, type 2. Can we add this to blog? Absolutely, you can add it to your blog. You can add it to anything that has a 111111212221122. Good. And everyone who just joined, make sure you invite your followers if you have not had the opportunity. And please, everyone, I want you to flood Twitter. I want you to flood Twitter with this tutorial, okay? And I'll tell you why after we're done, okay? I'm gonna teach you guys how to get sponsored. Teach you all how to get sponsored scopes, okay? But I need your help in doing that. I need you to make sure you're sharing this on Twitter with everyone, all right? Okay, here we go. So everyone go to woobox.com. And what Woobox is basically, it is a toolkit of all sorts of engaging social tools. It allows you to build all sorts of marketing apps. It has from sweepstakes to coupons to photo contests, polls, brackets, video contests, instant win, leaderboards, HTML fangate. This is the one we're going to use. We're going to use the one that says HTML fangate, meaning HTML Facebook fangate. What this will do, and as you can see, it also has tabs for Twitter, it has a tab for Instagram, it has a tab for Pinterest, and it also has a tab for YouTube. So this is the tool that I am using. Hey, good afternoon. So we're going to go to Facebook, but I'm sharing this with you because once you do Facebook, the rest is easy. You can generate the same thing for your Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube, okay? So let's go to HTML fangate, click that. And what it's going to do is going to ask you to get started for free if you haven't signed up. And it will ask you to log in with your Facebook ID, and it has to be your username for your personal page, okay? Because that's how you administer your Facebook page. So what I plan to do is log in. Let's just log in here because I've already established an account, and then it says sign in using your Facebook. So I am signing in with my Facebook, and what it will do is authenticate with Facebook, and it will connect with their API, which is called an application programming interface. Too big for you guys to know about. Just know that this Woobox is now connected to my Facebook because I'm logged in, okay? So the next thing we want to do, hello, what's going on? The next thing we want to do is, this thing is packed, so don't worry about all this other stuff. I will be doing tutorials on other marketing opportunities with Woobox, but right now we're only going to focus on the fan page, okay? So what we want to do is go to the box that says, let's see if I can find it here. We want to go to, let's see if I can find it. Coupon, group deal, leaderboard, nope, instant. I'm looking for it. Maybe I've already created it. That's probably why. See, I've already created one, so I need to go back to, let's go to, bear with me, everyone. Let me see if I can find, coupon, create new, static tabs. Here it is, static tabs. So up top, you will see promotions. Right now, we're currently on promotions. We don't want to be on promotions, okay? This is when you have offers. What we want to be on is the Facebook static tab. So you click there, all right? And then once you click the Facebook static tabs, guess what happens? It has code in here, but you use your fan page, not personal. Yes, I don't think you can use personal. I don't think you cannot embed HTML in the personal, but I have not validated. I haven't tested them. One of the things I want to do is definitely validate that. But for right now, I'm thinking everyone who's in business should have a fan page, okay? Got it. So this is, you log in with your personal because you have to manage each of your Facebook profiles, your fan page profiles from your personal login, okay? From your personal login. I don't see Periscope as an option because Periscope is not an option. What we're doing is adding our Periscope on-air button to our Facebook page, okay? The goal here is to add we are creating a button that's going to say Periscope, okay? You got it now? All right. So this is a pretty step-by-step process. So instead of repeating, I'm going to go through this and then go back and watch the replay so it's not too long to get through it, all right? So going back to static tabs, I've already created this. So let's start over. Let's create another tab, or we can just delete this one, okay? So how about we just go to our tabs, and then let's go to, let me find, create new tab. We're going to create a brand new tab right here, all right? And we're going to create HTML fan gate tab right there, all right? So once you create that, once you click there, it will ask you, which page. If you have multiple fan pages that you are managing, you want to make sure you're on the right one. And it shows that I have other businesses, but PeriHacks is right here, so I know it's selected PeriHacks. Now, here's what we want to do. Here's what you want to do. You want to take that embed code. Let me scroll this down, scroll this up a little bit. And now you can see, let me bring my screen up just a little bit. There we go. Is that clear, everyone? I know it's a little hazy, but if you can see what I'm clicking on, this will work out just fine. There's a button right here that says source, and it's gray. That means that it's in source mode. And if I click it again, it's unclicked and it gives me all of the editor mode. So this version, this option here, when this source button is ungrayed, is your visual editor, all right? But we want to put it in source. So we make sure that source is grayed out, because we're going to just place our embed code right in here on line number 1, okay? So let's go back to the Periscope embed tab, and then this code here, I just select, copy it right here. I'm all done with this page. It's copied. Go back over here, and what we do is just place it in this field, copy it. I normally do right click and copy, but in this case we're going to do Control V, or you can do your drop down and do it. There's the code, okay? There is the Java. That is your embed code. So what we want to do now, Arvin Poole, I have to run. I'll catch you on the next go. Bye everyone. Catch you all soon. Peace, peace. Smile, smile. Bye, Nicole. Thank you for joining. All right, everyone. Once you get this in here, now we want to swap back to Visual Editor so we can see what it looks like. So what it shows, the button doesn't actually show up just yet until we publish it to Facebook, okay? So what we want to do is, I want to center this because there's a lot of white space here. I want to center this, okay? So we just put the cursor in front of it, and then we go over here to our center alignment. Boom. Uh-oh. I didn't center. Hold on. I think I have to... Yeah, there we go. All right, it's centered. But what I want to do, I want to add my profile picture in here, okay? So there's a couple of things. I don't want to just have a button. I need to put something there so people know what it is, right? So I want to put a little space here, and then what I want to do now is say, follow the PeriHacker on Periscope. And this will be on the fan page, all right? So let's make that a bit bigger. So I want to highlight that, go down here to size, and let's say I want to bring it up to about 18. Yeah, that's perfect right there. Follow the PeriHacker on Periscope, and let's make it a nice bright color. I'll use my website color so I can stay within, my brand. So this is one of my website colors right here. Copy that hex code there, and then just go over here and do the drop down and say more colors, and then a window should pop up. There we go. Paste in my code and click OK. Uh-oh. 1 second, need to put the hashtag, I forgot. Put the hashtag in here, hashtag, and then paste the hex code, and now click OK. There we go. So it's nice, bright orange, it matches my brand, and then The next thing on top of that is I want to put my picture. And these are the little extra things. I'm just showing you a quick little design that'll spice up your fan page, and you can do whatever you want, but I'm just showing you these quick little tips that'll help you get your profile on Facebook, okay? So now what I want to do is add an image. But in order for me to get an image, it needs to be on somebody's server, all right? So I have a website, and I've uploaded my picture already to my server. So what I want to do now, there's this image button right here, but it doesn't allow you to upload pictures in here. You have to actually put the URL where your picture is. So since this does not have the feature to upload an image, what I have to do now, if you're on WordPress, I just store all of my images in WordPress. So what we're going to do is just go over to my WordPress page, and we're going to log in to the media. I want to go to my, PeriHacks.com, not PeriHack. There we go. So I'm logging in to my, as soon as I can put in the right PeriHacks.com/WP-admin. So you log into the back end of your WordPress. This is just for WordPress. There are other people that are using Squarespace. You can use anything you want. But the thing that you want to do is make sure that picture that you are putting on your Facebook, it has to be on your server, okay? It has to be on your server. And if it's not on your server, then you can't serve it anywhere. There's no URL to do that. So let me go ahead and log in. There we go. So now that I've logged in, I'm logging in rather, not logged in yet. It's trying to log in. There we go. I'm in the back end of PeriHacks. All right. So every WordPress has this over here. All right. And you'll see all of these. I want to go to media. Let's go to media. All right. And then it opens up my library of images, all the images that I have. And bam, there we go. I've already uploaded. I made it about 200 by 200, but that will be a bit too large for Facebook. So we can adjust the size once we get it on the URL, generate the URL. So the way you find the URL for any image, you just click on the image in Facebook, all right? And then it'll come over, this little pop-up comes open and it says URL. I just want to copy and paste this URL, okay? Close that out. And now what I want to do is go back over here to our FanGate page, and where that image is, let me start over. That image button is right here for the FanGate. Click that, and then I paste the URL in here, and see what happens? That image pops up, all right? So this image is being served from my website, okay? So it doesn't matter where this URL is placed. As long as it's on the server, it will show up with this link, okay? Now, for accessibility, for those who may not be able to see the image, please pay close attention in alternative text when you're putting things, labels on images. Make sure it's text that describes the image. So what I plan to put here is Arvin, the Peri Hacker profile photo. That's all you need. So people that can't see appreciate when you put in descriptions in the alt text field, okay? Profile picture. There we go. All right, now the width right here is 200, but I want to reduce this down to 100, okay? So it's locked. You see it's locked. So it will constrain, it will constrain the height at the same ratio, okay? Border, let me just put a nice little one. I want to put 1 in there. That means 1 pixel. And then horizontal space, let's put 5, meaning I want a buffer of 5 on each side. And then I want a buffer of 5 at top and bottom, so I put 5 in V space. And then alignment, just put not set, okay? And then click OK. So as you can see, now I have my picture, and I have follow the Peri Hacker on Periscope. One more little thing you want to do on your image now, okay? You want to also add a hyperlink to your image. If you plan to do any objects on your fan book, because people click, go ahead and take advantage of your hyperlink for your image. So I click on there, just select it, and then I go to the link button, or the link option, which is the link option. Where is it, everybody? It's on here. Arvin has his Peri specs and he can't find the link image. That's interesting. Where's my link image? All right, let me try again. Can anyone see the link image? There's source. Second row, okay. I am lost, guys. Oh, there it is. Thank you. Second row right. Oh, man, thank you so much. Awesome. Wow, okay, my glasses are foggy. All right, so now what I want to put here, I want if people accidentally click on my image, I want it to go to my Periscope page. So I put in, it already has the protocol HTTP, so the only thing I need to put in here now is periscope.tv/whatever your username is. This is an amazing information. I was just wondering on my embed button on WordPress, wondering about Facebook. Here it is. This is the one tip of the day that I wanted to provide everyone. So please share this. And so what I'm putting in here is my Periscope URL, because what happens here if someone clicks on my image, I want them to also go to my Periscope page, okay? Wonderful. Now that we have this, we want to save it. But before we save it, there are some other settings in here. Gate type needs to be off. This is really if you have a subscription page and you want people to sign up, it's basically a gate. So there's some optional things in here that we're not worrying about. This is just to get your fan page up, all right? And let's click Save Settings. Now, once we click Save Settings, what we want to do is go back to Tab Settings. So if you can see right here on the sidebar, it says Edit Tab Settings. Let's go to Tab Settings. And then what we want to do, we want to change. I personally want to change this default image to Periscope's official logo. The reason is people are not going to, they're going to recognize Periscope logo as just like a Facebook icon or Twitter icon. So this is where we're going to put the tab image. We're going to change this to Periscope's. Let's find find the let's go marketing. Let's find it. Periscope. It should be in here. 1 second. There's Alex Pettit in here, so I know he's in. Where's that Periscope? Okay. Oops. Let's back out of here. So it's going to be under. I have a lot of folders. I know everyone. Okay. So let's go to my. Sorry, I forgot where. Oh, Facebook. There it is. So. No, not Facebook. It's going to be under, bear with me, everybody. Got to find, oh, there it is. I see it. I see it. Let's put it on small icons, large icons, medium icons. Here it is. Okay, there it is. So let's use, I have two different sizes. I have one that is 512 by 512, and I have another one that's 34 by 34. What I have learned is that use the larger image because it will reduce down and maintain its quality. But if you use one that's too small, it may blow up and distort. So use one that, oh Lord, I may have to set up Google Chat and share my screen. Go for it. Go for it. So now that I've clicked on that icon, open it up in here and look there. Look at that beautiful Periscope icon. And then what we want to do is change this tab name from Welcome to Follow Me on Periscope. Or you could just put Follow on Periscope or Follow Me, whatever you want to do. I think Follow Me might be a little too wide, but let's try it out. Follow Me on Periscope. So I click Save Settings. And now once I click Save Settings, now I can go back to my PeriHacks Facebook page, which is right here. And what you can do is just basically do a refresh. And what will happen, you'll see two tabs because I already created one. All right, so when it refreshes, here's one trick, everyone. If you don't know this, you can manage your tabs, all right? You can manage your tabs. So right here, this is the first one I did. It says Follow on Periscope, but the other one is hidden behind this More, okay? So what I want to do is click down on More and you'll see it. But I don't want it here. I want it all the way. I want to move this tab all the way next to About because you can't put it in front of About. About is set. That's Facebook's tab. You can't mess with it, all right? So let's click on Manage Tabs. And then when you click on Manage Tabs, what you can do is drag this here all the way to the top. Well, not all the way to the top, right below About. And then what I want to do, this one here, let's remove this one. I'll remove this tab. Let's see. Let's see, will it allow me to remove one? 1 second. Nope, I don't want to remove it. We'll leave it there for now. I'll remove it later. So for the purpose of this demo, let's go back here, Manage Tabs, and drag this up right here, and then let's click save. Now when we click save, you'll notice that my new tab that I just created, thank you so much, Vitamin B Shot, when it refreshes, you will see, bam, follow me on Periscope. Now, when you click on this, when you click on that, you'll see my beautiful fan book page right here. And don't worry about this green stuff. That doesn't show up. This is because I'm logged into the fan gate. So if I were to log out, let's sign out of here, okay? Then that button goes away. So let's refresh it. Let's refresh it. And it should go away. Let it refresh. Let it refresh. Oh, okay, it's still there because I'm an admin. Okay, got it. So if you guys go to facebook.com/PeriHacks and go to that button and let me know, this bar doesn't show up. It just says that, hey, I'm logged in to WooBox, and so it allows you to manage it from the Facebook page. So now I have a brand, mine shows me as live, but I'm not. Yeah, I know, that's a bug. That's a bug. And so, hey Bukola, how are you doing? What's going on? So everyone, this is it. That is that's my Facebook fan. I have my photo. I have follow the Perry Hacker on Periscope, and I'm live right now. So if we were to click here, guess what? It goes directly to my page, which I'm live right now. So it's actually in landscape mode. There it is. And look, your comments are actually delayed, which is okay, but it's there. Isn't that cool, everybody? Isn't that cool? All right, are you there on the Facebook page? What does it look like? If you go to the Facebook page, what does it look like? Is that green bar there? Is that green bar there? I just want confirmation. Awesome. Well, I appreciate it. Thank you guys for coming on board. For me, because I was able to do something and share it with you guys. This is what I live for every day, is helping you guys. So, well, I need to watch this more than one. My green bar is there. Okay, it looks green. I don't. Oh, because you're logged in too. But I'm saying if you were not logged in, so let me log out of Facebook. Let's log out of Facebook. All right, let's turn this back around. Let's log out of Facebook. And then if I log out of Facebook and then just type in facebook.com/PeriHacks. And by the way, I just created this fan page. So if you get to that fan page, go ahead and click like on there. Go ahead and click like. Yeah, there it is. Okay. So if you click on follow me on Periscope right here, it should not be there. And it's not. There it is. Beautiful. So there's more I'm going to do with this. I'm adding some more widgets, some more text about what I do on Periscope for people who are on Facebook who don't know anything about Periscope. I'm adding links to my scopes, to my webpage. And, you know, I'm monetizing a lot of my scopes now. So like this here will last only 24 hours. And so after 24 hours, it will go onto my website. And you can pay for it for under $10. I think I'm only going to charge like $7.97 for my scopes that I've done like this. Wish there was a love button, green button. Oh, that's very sweet of you. That's very kind of you. So everyone, this is pretty much the, can I turn this now so I can talk to you guys regularly? There we go. That's much better. This is pretty much it, everybody. I am at home in my home office watching some soccer. I'm a football guy. I love football. I'll be in Brazil. Who's going to Brazil next year for the Summer Olympics? I will be there. I will definitely be there. So if you're in Brazil, obrigado. Thank you. Yep, thank you too. Thank you. Obrigado. To all my international fans only who love football, I'll be in Brazil. Let's do this. But for right now, if you have any questions about the demo, I can do a quick recap for everyone who came in late. And then we need you to go back and watch the replay. And when you watch the replay, everyone, please share it. You can also share this on the replay. You know that, right? You can share it on your replay, all right? So here's a quick recap, everyone. Number one, you must have a Facebook fan page, all right? I'm assuming everyone on here is on Periscope to help their business, and you must have a Facebook fan page. If you don't, you need to create that. The next thing you need to do is go to periscope.tv/embed. Go ahead and put your username, generate your embed code, copy that code, and then what you want to do is go to WooBox. Let me slow down if you could scribe. Number one is Facebook fan page. Number two is periscope.tv/embed. Periscope.tv/embed. Yep, there you go. Copy code. And then number three, WooBox. Go to woobox.com. WOOBOX.com. Go to woobox.com. Let me just show you right here. This is probably better. Let's just show you real quick. All right, let's turn you back this way. And I'm not going through the whole thing. I just want to so you can see it, okay? There you go. Thank you, Scribe. You can scribe for me. What I plan to do is just, let me just go ahead and put some text in here for you guys. Hopefully this will be helpful. All right, so number one is add your Facebook fan page. Okay, make sure you have a Facebook fan page. Number two is make sure that you have, let me scroll down, sorry. You can't see that. There we go. That's better. Number two is make sure that you go to Periscope. .tv/embed and make sure you download that code there, okay? Enter your username and then you're good to go from there. Let me go ahead and change this to like a nice clear blue. There we go, so you can see that. All right, number three is you want to go to woobox.com and you want to go to the fan. Let's make sure we got the right one. We want to go to HTML Fangate. HTML Fangate. That's the app we want to use. HTML Fangate. All right. Number four, what we want to do is go to, let me put in number 5 and number 6. 1 second. That way I got some space here. And 7. There we go. So number 4, after you go to woobox.com, then what you want to do is copy embed code into WooBox, into this HTML Fangate under using source. Use source, okay? And not visual editor. And you have to figure this out on your own. After you watch the video, this will make sense, okay? And then once you do that, then you save. You hit the save button. Let's go ahead and hit save. All right. And then you go to your Facebook page. And then you want to manage your tabs. I missed one, sorry. Manage your Facebook tabs. All right. Managing your Facebook tabs is going right here. And you want to click on this here, go down to more. I'm sorry, not there. Oh, I'm not logged in, everyone. I'm sorry. In fact, I'm probably not going to do this really fast. I mean, I don't want to go back through it. I'm just going through the steps real quick for you guys. So when you go to your Facebook page, just go to Manage Tabs, and then you can move your newly created tab to top or next to About. All right, and then you refresh, and you're good to go. There's one step in here, is right here. When after number 4, what you want to do is actually, I'm going to put A in here. You want to, hold on 1 second here. Let me go to a different alignment. There we go, better. So on number 4, after you copy this in here, what you want to do then is make sure you want to go back to your tab settings and replace welcome with your tab name. Also, you can enter your image, add your custom image for tab. All right, everybody got that? Does that make sense? Okay, let me go ahead and let's do this here. Bring it down to about 24. I know there we go, that's better. So go ahead and take a screenshot of that. Take a screenshot of that, someone, and share it on Twitter. Share that on Twitter, everybody, and then that way everybody has it on Twitter, okay? And now the last thing I want to do, let me know that you have it. Thanks for the love, everybody. I appreciate it. I appreciate it very much. Last thing I want to share with you guys is the reason why I was pushing you to do Twitter is I have another scope that I'm doing. I don't know if you were on my scope yesterday, but let me just show you something on Twitter, okay? There is potential sponsorship whenever you're doing a demo of any product, right? Any product, you're giving that company props. So I just gave WooBox props, right? So what I plan to do after this demo, guess what? I'm tweeting this out. So all your tweets that you just sent out, I'm going to look for the hashtag PeriHacks, and then I plan to work with WooBox on trying to give us some free giveaways for my next scope. I'm doing the same thing with the email program, the software program that I talked about yesterday called MailerLite. So let me show you what happened yesterday, everybody. Let me just show you. This is really cool. The scope that I did yesterday on the comparison between MailChimp and MailerLite. If you go to my Twitter page, go to twitter.com/ArvinPool. Let me show you something. So after that scope, show you guys something here real quick. So I just did a basic demo, right? I did a demo and I was doing a review. And so my scope that I did, actually, I just put in hashtag MailerLite. I put in hashtag MailerLite, and guess what happened? Let me just show you what happened here. Let's find it. Let's see. It is right here. Here we go. So look here. Let's go here to this tweet here. We'll go here. Check this out, everybody. After that scope, Arvin Pool, we are all watching your reviews on Periscope. Great job, Arvin. Hey, PJ, this is phenomenal. This is a company, right, that serves millions of people. And after that scope, they're sending me some nice goodies, all right? They're sending me some nice goodies, but I'm asking for sponsorship of my scope the next time so I can do some giveaways on behalf of MailerLite. So this is the kind of stuff that I'm doing. I'm doing some boss perihacking. That's what you call it, boss perihacking, because you know what? I don't have time to be doing this for free, and I want to help you guys. So if I'm already doing this, it's value. Absolutely, it's value. So if I can get more value from the sponsors, if I'm dropping their names in my scope, then guess what? They should be helping all of us, right? So I talk to each person or each company that I do a scope on and do any review. If I plan on using any of their names, guess what? They're getting a tweet from me prior to that scope. All right. I've done 3 or 4 now. I've used Evernote. I've used Quora. I've used MailChimp. I've used MailerLite. They love these reviews because it gives them exposure. But it has to be a two-way street. If I'm giving you a review, well, guess what? You need to help me out here. So everyone, that's my little tip. If you're doing scopes and you're dropping names of companies, products, anything, it doesn't hurt to ask them. Maybe they'll give a t-shirt. Maybe they'll give yes, that works. I've done it and these companies are looking. They are looking. That's free advertising. They don't have to spend resources when you're out there doing that, okay? So get on the horn on your scope. This is how you monetize and create value for the scopes that you do. You're already spending time talking to these people, right? The only love you're getting is the hearts, which is good. Don't get me wrong. But wouldn't you like to put a little bit extra back into your pocket? whether it's money, whether it's product, whatever it is, to help your own community. So the reason I'm doing this is so I can help my community. I want to feed my community with value-added content. That is the whole goal of why PeriHacks exist, okay? So that's it, everybody. That's it. That's it. And you guys stayed around for the whole thing. I truly love each of you. If you could just share with me where you're from real quick, just put in. I want to take a screenshot of everywhere where you're from, okay? I want to take a screenshot of this. In fact, I want to tweet this out. That's okay. Minnesota, Stockholm, thank you. Jersey, Toronto, London, UK, LA in the house, Maryland. My family's in Maryland. They're in Waldorf, Georgia. My sister's in Atlanta, Fargo, North Dakota, Los Angeles, 3rd Ward. That's what I'm talking about, Prof. Rando. Demi from ATL, Mutana from Florida. Thank you. Hello. Tenny's World from ATL. Sean is in Florida, Vancouver, Maryland, Philly. Damn, this is dope, y'all. That is dope. I love this. I love Periscope. Gosh, I love Periscope. Have a friend in Waldorf. Babies, loves, whoever's out there in the world watching this scope, thank you all so much. To all my web viewers that are not on Periscope, did you see all that love we just had? You need to download that application and get on over here so you can get into this community, okay? And then to all of my live viewers, if you are not following me, go ahead and follow me. I'm trying to get to 1,000 followers. Right now, I think I'm at 948 or 45 or something like that. Follow me right here. I'm trying to get to 1,000 by 12 midnight tonight. That's my goal. That's my goal, is to get to 1,000 followers tonight. That's my goal. 969, we're going to get there tonight, everybody. We're going to get there. We're going to get there. So share this with your people. Let them know that Arvin is trying to help you guys out, and we're trying to get to 1,000 followers, all right? Guys, I'm done. I can stay on all day because you all are a great crowd here, but I got to go so I can get some more content out to you later on today, all right? I got another little treat for you later on you'll love, all right? So if you're not on my email list, go to PeriHacks.com. Go to PeriHacks.com right now and sign up, because you'll get access to all this good stuff here if you're on my email list, okay? Otherwise, you're going to have to pay for it. Yes, you're going to have to download it separately. Get on my list now before it ends, all right? PeriHacks.com. Peace.